Hello. Project Zero Flood continues repeat. I'm Marlon Tonka. Uh, there's a lot of countries affected by floods. I have a solution. Why not we create a lot of recreational parks in those flooded countries and hydro malls, snow malls, etc. etc. Plus an array of fountains and and swimming pools, lots of swimming pools. Those swimming pools have waves. The swimming pool have no waves, but special design for Olympiads. Those swimming pool that have slides, etc. etc. Plus fish pond, giant fish pond for for tourists and for tourist attraction and for local attraction. For tourist and local attraction. Plus another fish pond for fish production or fish pond and fish production. Your favorite seafoods, squids, shrimps, lobster, etc. etc. Clams, etc. etc. Plus plus garden orchard that will be well irrigated by those well filtered flood. The flood will be filtered not twice but thrice, triple filtration, or only necessary filtration. And you can make public baiting areas, public CRs, etc. etc. We can those flooded areas can be make neat. We can make it neat through the cycle process. Aside from that, the water level here in planet Earth can be lessened, and those less water will be put into planet Mars, so we can live on to our sister planet. Our population is growing fast, so we can make use of this great water level. We can less that and put it into use. This has been Mario Antonio Parejo, Pat Parejo, dito Luzon, Macalinaw, Vergara, Leyte, Negros Bacolod. Now I'm residing at General Mariano Aguilas, Cavite, Barangay Eda 6 Block 3.21, Manila, Philippines. Mabuhay. This has been Mario Antonio Parejo. Bye guys, I love you guys. This will truly work, okay? Just support it. Tell it to your classmates, to your friends, to your teachers, to your deans, instructors, etc. Your family. Support the DJ, support me until it reaches those persons that can help this project to be established. Till it reaches those persons and agencies or companies that will help us establish this work. It's Marlon Tani pa rin. Bye. Bye guys.